I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials and taking the very first actions. Open Xcode or point terminal to the repository. Make sure the Swift toolchain matches the project. Once done, inspect package, Swift or the Xcode proj to see targets and dependencies. Make a quick Git backup. Commit any local work and create a feature branch so you can safely extract and modify code. This prevents data loss and gives you a clear place to consolidate the Swift files you'll harvest next. Next, you extract and analyze the code and its dependencies. Start by listing target sources. Look in sources / app / or project groups for Swift files that implement the logic you need. Then resolve external packages with Swift package resolve or run pod install / Carthage bootstrap as appropriate, because missing dependencies break builds. Once dependencies are present, build the module or use Swift emit module to generate artifacts and confirm compiler diagnostics. This helps you find hidden compiler flags, conditional compilation. Finally, integrate the Swift code into your destination and verify it works. You can copy files directly or add them as a local Swift package dependency while updating imports and module names. Make sure access control, public/internal, matches usage. Then build and run unit tests on each target platform, iterating on errors and updating package versions or deployment target if needed. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to compare deployment targets and conditional compilation flags. Mismatched platform settings are the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.